Starting a guided activity workflow in Manage is essential for maintaining compliance and ensuring consistency in completing clinical tasks. Implementing workflows simplifies staff training and minimizes the chances of overlooking steps and making mistakes. It's important to remember an appointment is a prerequisite for workflows to function in Manage. To create a workflow, expand the side panel by select the arrow on the right. Click the Add Workflow button. Select the relevant appointment and workflow. Click Add. Your workflow appears in the side panel. Take note of the tasks listed. Work through the workflow task list and monitor the progress. A green check means a step has been completed successfully. An exclamation alert will appear if a step has been skipped. If information is missing, the progress status remains orange. If for any reason a workflow should be stopped or canceled, select the stop icon. You will be prompted to enter a reason why the workflow is being stopped. Entering a reason is not mandatory, but may be required if it needs to be tracked. Within the same prompt, you will find a Create Invoice option. This option is available in cases where a workflow wasn't needed, but an invoice was necessary. In situations where more than one workflow is needed, you can link the same appointment to additional workflows. How workflows are implemented and configured depends on the clinical business need. If a workflow is completed and steps were skipped, you will be asked to provide a reason why they were left incomplete. It's important to remember, a workflow remains active until you either stopped it or completed it. The historical information about workflows is kept in the History tab of the patient record. To view all activities associated with a patient's workflow history, navigate to the Treatment section. You can see if any workflow steps were skipped and the reasons why they were not done. If needed, you can also run the Open Workflows report under the Reports module to get a bigger picture of workflows across all patients in the system. From all the feedback we've received from customers, incorporating workflows is the game changer to elevate clinical care to the next level.